Welcome everyone. We're diving straight into the fusion of AI and crypto trading. It's like a wild intersection of technology and finance, right?
Absolutely, it's super exciting. And when you see flashy crypto dashboards and those rapid Bitcoin spikes, it really sets the stage for a thrilling discussion.
Yeah, absolutely. So the core question posed is really intriguing. Can AI really make you rich in crypto trading? Or is it just another buzzword floating around?
Right, because when you hear AI crypto trading, you immediately think of lightning-fast bots analyzing the market. Way quicker than any human ever could.
Exactly. It's all about these algorithms and bots that use machine learning alongside historical data to predict and execute trades. It's like they're reading the market tea leaves faster than most of us can blink.
Yeah, that's a brilliant analogy. And speaking of machine learning, it's pretty cool how these bots learn from historical price movements. They're essentially programmed to anticipate market trends by crunching huge amounts of data.
Right on. And then we move on to one of the more visual parts of this setup. Seeing those bots in action, places trades on slick digital dashboards, and it's super intense.
Yeah, that scene really sets the tone. It's like watching a high-speed race where every millisecond counts, and those bots are revving their engines.
Exactly. And then there's the breakdown of how these bots work. They use a combination of machine learning techniques and historical data to forecast where prices will move. It's like they're trying to predict the unpredictable.
Yeah, that's the magic and the madness of it all. But I always wonder how much of this is truly science and how much is hype fueling unrealistic expectations.
Great question. And listening to the details in the script, it's clear there's a mix. On one hand, these bots are incredibly precise, but on the other hand, market volatility still looms large.
Right. So we also get into the specifics of tools. Yeah, tools like 3 Commas, TradeSanta, Stoic by Cindicator, and Crypto Hopper. Quite the lineup, isn't it?
Absolutely. And this scene really highlights how these top AI tools are positioned as some of the most powerful players. Each of them offers unique features or strategies, and it's almost like comparing supercharged sports cars.
Sports cars in a digital trading race. Got it. But I do wonder if this emphasis might mislead novices. I mean, just because a tool is popular doesn't guarantee immediate riches.
True, and that leads us to the next segment. Real people, real profits. The script shows screenshots where some users claim profits of like $50 to $200 a day. It's impressive, yet it's a bit selective.
Exactly. Those profit figures sound tantalizing, but then you also hear about the losses. It's a real roller coaster, and clearly, success isn't guaranteed every time.
Right, and that's where the risk factor truly comes into play. The script goes on to warn about potential pitfalls, overtrading, misreading market sentiment, or simply the bot malfunctioning. It's a critical balance between optimism and caution.
Indeed. I always think of it like riding a bull. The thrill is real, but one wrong move and boom, you're down. It's a challenge both in strategy and patience.
That's a spot-on analogy. It's like you have this powerful bull under control, only if you really know what you're doing. And really, it boils down to treating AI trading as a serious business venture.
Yeah, exactly.
Rather than a lottery ticket.
Right. You've got to assess your risk tolerance. Starting small, even using demo modes, seems to be the best call for beginners. It also speaks to the responsibility on users to know what they're getting into.
Yes, you're absolutely right. And then there's the ultimate burning question. Can you really get rich? The answer is both yes and no. There are stories of life-changing gains, but, well, it's clearly not a one-size-fits-all miracle.
Absolutely. I find that part a bit controversial too. Some might argue that the potential for huge gains overshadows the risks, but if you don't have a solid strategy, you're just gambling.
Right. And that brings in another level. Strategy and patience are key. It's not just about letting a bot run wild. It's about carefully monitoring and adjusting your approach. It's like sitting down with your sports car and fine-tuning its engine before a race, for sure.
Yeah, I get that. Exactly. And a point I'd like to challenge a bit here. Some might say it's easy money, but with the inherent volatility of crypto, it's really more akin to a calculated risk-taking scenario than a guaranteed win.
I agree, and that critique is central. The script drives home that AI bots are a tool. They're not a magical generator of wealth. Success really boils down to how well you integrate these tools within a broader, disciplined trading strategy.
Yep, that's a fair take, definitely. And if we're thinking about it, the outro of the piece pushes us to consider AI trading as not just an opportunity for passive income, but as a business venture that demands constant learning and adaptation.
Right. It's like you're building your own mini empire with technology, but you need to be on point with risk management. Should you be trusting a bot with your money? That reflective question challenges most listeners to really assess their approach.
It sure does. And it's kind of, inspiring in a way, making you realize that if you want to jump into the world of AI crypto trading, you need a mindset that's both entrepreneurial and, well, analytical.
Exactly, it pushes the idea that the future of trading might be as much about technological savvy as it is about a sharp financial instinct. I mean, it's like you're navigating a digitally enhanced jungle where the rules are constantly evolving.
Right, that digital jungle analogy is just perfect. And while these tools promise speed and efficiency, they also serve as a reminder that the market is unpredictable. No tool, no matter how sophisticated, can completely eliminate uncertainty.
Yes, that's the crux of it. They are enablers, not guaranteed get-rich-quick machines. The investment of time, continuous learning, and steady strategy is what truly matters.
Yeah, true. I love how the video script ends on that reflective note, encouraging listeners to subscribe, comment, and really think about whether they'd trust a bot with their hard-earned money. It feels like it's inviting deeper conversation, almost like an open challenge.
Absolutely. And with the mix of flashy visuals and real warnings, it does a wonderful job of balancing the allure of high rewards with the hard truths of risk.
Exactly. Overall, it's clear that while AI and crypto trading holds an enticing promise, it's layered with both technological marvels and, well, human pitfalls that demand respect.
Yeah, and it's sort of reassuring that while some people do report life-changing profits, the script really drills down to the fact that you have to treat it like a serious business venture with well-thought-out strategies, not an easy or guaranteed path to riches.
Right, absolutely. And that, after all, is the ongoing debate in the world of AI trading. Exciting potential, but also a ton of challenges. It sort of mirrors the dynamic nature of crypto itself.
Definitely. So, if you're considering diving into this space, think of it like this. It's a tool, it's a market, and it's a mindset. You need hope, strategy, and the courage to navigate unpredictable waters.
Exactly. Couldn't have said it better myself. This conversation really brings to light the nuances that any budding trader needs to consider before jumping into AI crypto trading.
Right. And it all circles back to making informed decisions. No single tool or bot can replace thorough analysis and good old-fashioned due diligence.
Well, this has been a really engaging dive into the interplay between AI and crypto trading. It's a thrilling yet cautious exploration of a rapidly evolving field.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining in on this discussion. It's been a fast-paced and enlightening ride, and hopefully it sparks further thought on how technology is reshaping finance.
Indeed, thanks for the conversation. Until next time, stay curious and stay cautious.
Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.